In today's tutorial, I am going to show you how to insert a symbol or a special character in Microsoft Word. This is a simple process, and I will guide you through it step by step. First, open Microsoft Word and place your cursor where you want to insert the symbol. Now, go to the top menu and click on the Insert tab. On the right side of the toolbar, you will see the symbol option. Click on it. A small menu will appear with a few commonly used symbols. If you see the symbol you need, click on it and it will be inserted into your document. If you do not see the symbol you're looking for, click on More Symbols at the bottom of the menu. This will open the symbol window, where you can browse through a large collection of symbols. You can scroll through the list or use the drop-down menu at the top to select a specific font, which may contain different sets of symbols. If you need a special character, switch to the Special Characters tab within the symbol window. Here, you will find characters such as copyright symbols, registered trademarks, and various punctuation marks. Once you find the symbol or special character you need, click on it to select it, then click the Insert button. After inserting the symbol, you can close the symbol window. The selected symbol will now appear in your document at the position of your cursor. You can keep the symbol window open and continue selecting and inserting symbols without closing it each time. You can also use keyboard shortcuts for some special characters. For example, holding down the Alt key and typing a specific numeric code on the number pad will insert certain symbols. That is all you need to do to insert a symbol or a special character in Microsoft Word. Thank you for watching.